In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform with Google Tag Manager and track Typeform submissions as conversions. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can set everything up correctly without confusion. The goal here is to connect your Typeform account to your Google Tag Manager container and then use the Typeform submission event to build custom tracking inside GTM. Start by opening Google Tag Manager and locating your container ID. This is the ID that identifies the specific GTM container you want Typeform to send events to. You'll usually find it near the top of the workspace, and it will look something like a GTM code. Once you find it, copy that container ID carefully because you'll need to paste it into Typeform in the next step. Make sure you copy only the container ID and not anything else from the page. Next, go over to Typeform and open the form you want to track. From there, navigate to the Connect section and then choose Google Tag Manager. This is where Typeform allows you to link your form directly with your GTM container so that submission events can be passed through properly. In the Google Tag Manager connection settings, paste the container ID you copied from GTM. After that, submit or save your changes to complete the connection. Once that connection is in place, the next part happens inside Google Tag Manager. You'll create custom tags using the event name Typeform Submit. This event is what you'll use to identify when someone successfully submits your Typeform. In other words, when a submission happens, GTM can detect that event and use it to trigger your conversion tracking. As you build your custom tags, make sure they are configured to fire based on the Typeform Submit event. This is especially useful if you want to send conversion data to platforms like Google Ads or Google Analytics through GTM. Using a clear event-based setup also helps keep your tracking organized and easier to troubleshoot later. One helpful tip is to double-check that your form is connected to the correct GTM container before you test anything. If the wrong container ID is entered, your events may not appear where you expect them. After setup, it's also a good idea to test a form submission and confirm that the Typeform Submit event is being received in Google Tag Manager. That's it! Once the container is connected and your custom tags are using the Typeform Submit event, you'll be ready to track Typeform conversions more accurately through GTM.